What's up, guys? It's me now today, back in another video. So today we're going to be opening up my GAN 2x2, so let's get to it. Okay. No. I'll just rip it because I'm hoping never need this again. Wow. Oh my. It's nice. Oh, and they gave me a tool to listen it. Let's go. And I already have a bag for it because it doesn't come with a bag, so. And because you could just put it in your pocket. I think it's open so much. It is magnetic. Let's see if I can solve it, guys. Oh, so easy, guys. Wait, cause look, I'll show you my other 2x2. It broke. I lost so many pieces to it, and I'm gonna use this bag to like carry around my 2x2, and that's it. Bye.